An exclusive update we first brought you last month as Freedom is in limbo for a former hot boy.
Yeah, so prosecutors have asked Christopher B.G. Dorsey to hand over the lyrics to his music as part of his probation.
WDSU reporter Shay O'Connor has an update from legal experts on how it could impact his upcoming Essence Fest performance.
This is a story you'll see only on 6.
Christopher B.G. Dorsey came home last September following a 12-year prison stay.
I'm definitely excited and just happy to be free back to, living my life.
But recent probation violations are putting the former hot boy's freedom in limbo. According to these documents obtained by WDSU, the rapper has to appear in a New Orleans court on supervised release conditions. Part of those conditions means he may have to turn over the lyrics to his music to court officials. Former state and federal prosecutor Matthew Coleman says this is uncommon.
The judge in charge of the defendant's case has almost unlimited discretion to enforce the terms and conditions of the probation based on the violations that are alleged. It looks like those violations are easy to prove. The judge can modify the term of supervised release, can extend the term of supervised release.
According to the documents, BG would also have to avoid ex-convicts. It also states Dorsey can't leave Nevada without an approval from his parole officer. Now Dorsey and his attorney are responding to the court's request, saying it's hurting his music career.
They feel like being a rapper and being an artist is me being self-employed. So they say they didn't want me doing nothing pertaining to rap or nothing pertaining to entertainment that I could get paid off of unless I get permission.
The rapper says the rules are impacting his freedom of speech and his ability to do what he loves.
I would hope that the courts will give him some leeway to exercise his craft and make the money the way he's used to making the money. But unfortunately, when you're on probation, especially in federal court, it is not unusual for the courts to restrict even what you do for a living.
Shay O'Connor, WDSU News.
And responding to our request for comment, Dorsey's attorneys say this, quote, "We are looking forward to appearing with Mr. Dorsey in New Orleans and addressing the important legal issues before the court. BG is scheduled to appear in court June 18th in New Orleans, and he's scheduled to reunite and perform with the other Hot Boys at Essence Festival in July."